Are you preparing for any aptitude related exams like MAT, CAT, TANCET, etc., or trying to crack placement interviews? Then stay with me. This video is for you. In this video, I will be showing must do top aptitude questions that are asked in your exams and interviews again and again and again. Hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. Today, we'll quickly get into the solving problems. Okay. So, must do aptitude, top aptitude questions. Let us read the question properly. Sumit can row a boat at a distance of 9 kilometer in 1 hour in still water, and he can now row the same distance in 45 minutes with the current. Okay, wow. So find total time taken by him to row 36 kilometer with the current and return to the same point. For this, I'll give you a hint. In order to find the speed of current, you have to use this formula B plus C. In order to find speed against current, that is upstream, you have to do, which is speed against the current is upstream, speed with the current is downstream. So B minus C. What is B and C? B is nothing but speed in still water. C is nothing but speed of the current. Now let us find the speed in still water. Speed is nothing but distance by time. Let me write it. Distance by time. Now speed of still water. What is the distance? Which is 9 kilometer in 1 hour. 9 kilometer by 1 hour, which is 9 kilometer per hour. Now next is speed with current, or this is not of, in speed with current. Same 9 kilometer but in 45 minutes. 9 kilometer. Now I'm changing 45 minutes to hours, so I'm dividing it by 60. 45 by 60 hours, because I'm converting 45 minutes to hours. Okay. When I do it, I can cancel it by which is 9 by 15 3s are and 15 4s are, right? So 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. When I instead of 0.75, let me write 9 into 4 by 3, which is 3 ones are 3, which is 12 kilometer per hour. Now let us step 2, let us find the speed of the current. Okay, speed of current. Okay, let speed of current be C. Okay, now upstream, what did they tell? It is upstream. Speed with the current is upstream. I got the answer as 12 kilometers. So let me write 9. What is speed in still water? Speed in still water is 9. Okay, this is B. Basically, one second, this is your B and this is your speed with current, which is this part. Okay, this is your speed with current. Now let me write it as speed with current. This formula, I'm just writing it here. Speed with current will, which is nothing but, what is B? 9. 9 plus C is equal to speed with current. Speed with current is 12. So my speed of current in kilometer per hour is 12 minus 9, which is nothing but 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, now you have to calculate the upstream. Okay, let me calculate, find the upstream thing. Okay, so upstream, which is speed against current. So speed against current is equal to, what is my B? My B is 9 and my C is 3. So speed against current, which is 6 kilometer per hour, which is upstream speed. Okay, upstream speed, We can also say this as upstream speed and other thing as downstream speed. Okay. Now, what am I supposed to do? Here, I have to calculate for 36, total time taken for 36 with the current and returning against the current. Okay, wow. Now, I have to find the time. So, downstream time is equal to, what is my downstream time? Time is nothing but distance by speed. Okay, my distance here I have given as 36. And what is my downstream speed? My downstream speed is nothing but 12. Okay, this is my downstream speed. I told you, no, this is downstream. Downstream speed is nothing but 12. So this will be 3 hours. Okay. Now I have to calculate upstream speed. Upstream time. I have got upstream speed. Upstream time is nothing but 36 by, what is my upstream speed? Upstream speed, which is 6. Downstream speed is 12. Okay. By 6. Upstream speed is nothing but by 6. So I'll be getting 6 hours. Now what did they ask? They asked the total time. So total time is nothing but upstream speed plus downstream speed. So which will be, total time is 3 plus 6, which your answer will be 9 hours. So let me rewind this. So for finding total time, which you have to find upstream and downstream. Here they have given you the still water, the distance covered and the time for the still water, and the same distance with the current. Okay. So with that, what we found? We have found the speed with still water and speed with the current. Okay. Speed with the current is nothing but the downstream, which is speed in still water plus speed of the current. And speed against the current is upstream. So this will be your formula and you have to find and get the answer. And to find the upstream time, upstream kilometer by upstream speed. Downstream time is nothing but downstream kilometer by downstream speed. So I hope this is useful and I hope you understood these sums. So mostly first read the theory first and go to these sums. I have written the formula and have solved it, and try doing these kind of sums. First read the theory part. I will be solving the theory part of it in future. So don't forget to see it. Yeah. Thank you.